Today, guys, I'm going to show you how to use these Jiffy peat pellets. They're great for beginners. You don't have to worry about getting some potting soil. You don't have to worry about making your own soil. All you got to do is soak these peat pods in water, let them rise up, stick a few seeds in the hole, and hopefully that's it. Watch them grow. How you doing today, guys? Chad here. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Chronicles of the Farmstay Startup here at the Hidden Spring Farm. You know what this episode's all about today, guys? Maybe the title gave it away. It's all about starting my seeds. We're gonna choose which veggies to start, because not all of them need to be started yet. We're gonna be using my new rack, which I set that up a few episodes ago, if you saw that. And please excuse the chirps if you hear them throughout this video because of this. Bam! How you doing, chicks? You doing okay? Here's Stormy and Smokey, guys. Yeah, they're gonna be hanging out, but I don't know. They're going after those chicks. I might have to put them away. Guys, Stormy's found the new chicks. Look at her, she's hunting them. Stormy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Stormy? Stormy! Don't even think about it. Hey, don't even think about it. What are you doing, Smokey? Unfortunately, you might also hear a little noise from this guy. Pooper, are you okay, bud? Huh? Pooper? You scared of the camera? Don't forget to click that subscribe for me, guys, if you like this video, and don't forget to pound that like. Really appreciate you watching. Today's episode is all about this thing, guys. I'm cheating with this Jiffy product that come with these little peat pucks. And all you gotta do is soak them with some water and they expand. I'm gonna show you a bit of that. Then you open up the little thing on top, put 1 or 2 or 3 seeds in there, close the lid. That's all you do. It's quite simple, really. The hardest thing I'm gonna have to do is figure out which seeds I'm gonna start and which seeds I'm not. I got a handful of seeds, guys. It's gonna be awesome. You gotta soak these peat pods with 15 cups of water. What you want to do, guys, is really make sure that you get a little bit of water on top of each peat pellet. You don't want to just put the water like get it in the bottom of the tray, because then the water will only soak up through the bottom. Remember, guys, 15 cups of water to start off with. After you put your seeds in, if you decide that it needs more water, then you add a little bit more as needed. But to get these peat pellets to rise up, you need 15 cups. After your peat pellets have popped up, you got to drain the excess water in the tray. What I do to simplify my life is when I open the package, I cut off the top portion, and that way I know what it is. I just got a little tool like that, guys, And that's what I'm going to use to make the hole. Depending on the seeds, guys, you put one seed in. If it's like a big seed, you know, like a watermelon seed, just put one seed in. Here, this is celery. You can see how the celery comes. Look at it, it's like ground pepper. So you just put a little pinch in the hole. It's not rocket science. These are all heirloom seeds that we got here, guys. Heirloom seeds basically means that we can let the plant bolt by itself and it'll produce its own seeds and then harvest those seeds for us to use later or next year. So in this tray, we got long purple eggplants. We got California Wonder peppers, cayenne peppers. Who doesn't like a little cayenne pepper? And sui choy. Sui choy. Everybody know what sui choy means? Hey? Sui choy is this, guys. That's sui choy, guys. It's like some kind of a cabbage. This tray over here, we got a couple of rows of Roma tomatoes. We got a bunch of rows of cherry tomatoes, Sweet Millions variety. And we have a bunch of rows of the traditional beefsteak tomato. In this tray over here, we got 3 rows of romaine lettuce. We got 3 rows of green onions and 3 rows of broccoli. And then this tray, we got 3 rows of yellow beans, 2 rows of kale, which is like kale, just says kale. Then 2 rows of red and white Russian kale. Then 2 rows of dwarf green curled kale. That's a lot of kale, guys. So guys, I got everything on my rack here. I got everything here with the lid on it. It needs to build up the humidity in there. You don't need to add any more water to these guys. I mean, you gotta check it after a few days and see. Once the plants start to sprout a bit, you take the lid off a bit and prop it up to get some air in there. And then of course, once the plants are tall enough that they're gonna hit the cover, then you take the cover off. So that's it for this video, guys. Don't forget to click that subscribe for me, please. Pound that like. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and you learned a little bit about how easy it is to use these Jiffy systems that have these little peat pucks. Very easy, very good for beginners. And I wish you luck in your veggie journey.